Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we do detailed multiple time frame analysis for BTC and we're going to look at the BTC dominance chart. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Last night we had a monthly close, and the monthly levels are going to be extremely important levels. $35,000 and $36,000 are extremely important. Without claiming these levels, it's going to be early for us to talk about the levels based on a monthly time frame. And also from the current level, 17,175, we're expecting over 100% pump in the market. However, it is very early for us to talk about those levels. Just bearing in mind, those levels are extremely important. A weekly time frame. Based on a weekly time frame, I covered many times in the previous videos, the first level that you have to keep an eye on is going to be 20,500. It's going to be extremely important. Claiming this resistance, and we've got, after this weekly time frame level, daily levels above us. The rest of the resistance levels are still the same as I covered in the previous videos. Moving on to daily time frame. Daily time frame, as soon as we lost $60,000, 52 and then $48,000 with a fake out based on a daily time frame. Since we lost the $60,000, we had a bearish setup, first leg down, a bit of consolidation from $48,000, another leg down. We consolidated around here over 4 months, which I mentioned many times and warned about this dump. And at the moment, we're just trading at around $16,000 all the way up to $17,200. So based on a daily time frame, 20,500 in the first place and 21,500 is going to be extremely important level. Claiming 21,500, that will give us a bullish setup based on a daily time frame. However, as I kept mentioning, around this area and as well as here, there was a 618, if I'm not mistaken, the Fibonacci level as well. That was a highly likely, as I said, first rejection from $25,000 mentioned weeks in advance, and then we had the fib level as well as the horizontal multiple time frame resistance level as well. So we have to do, as I said, warned about here, the fake out based on a daily time frame. So make sure we have to avoid this type of fake out. So at this stage, I can't see any long setup or trend change on the daily time frame. We saw in the first place 17,500, the recent low, and then we took this low with a 15,500-ish level. We saw massive dump in the market, which is at 73%, with a current price action over 70% dump in the market. However, if you're going to calculate from $52,000 and $48,000, that will give us average $50,000. And if you manage to exit from those level 65 to all the way up to 68.5% dump in the market, and then with the current price action, again 66% dump in the market. So as I said, there is no trend change based on a daily time frame. Before we move on to BTC analysis, as I mentioned, first rejection, that was after we got rejected, and then local SR level was extremely important. And then our first target level was this level, 8.65%, and then the next target level was 9.5%. However, we didn't reach to 9.5%, and we got rejection from 8.96. And then USDT dominance started dumping. We saw a pump from the BTC. However, with the recent dump, as I mentioned, it is going to be a bit challenging in this area, which is going to be 382, the Fibonacci level. And then I also warned that higher time frame doesn't look good. As a result, we might lose the local SR levels. Also, I mentioned that yesterday's tweet update, losing this level, it was acting as a support, and then high chance that we're going to end up in the support box where we've got multiple time frame support, horizontal support plus 0.618, the golden pocket. And once we end up in this box, I will make an update. By the time, I'm expecting decent pump in the market for BTC. For market updates, BTC and the altcoin setups, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. Moving on with our BTC analysis. Based on a 4-hour time frame, as soon as we lost $20,000, 4-hour time frame started flashing a bearish setup. We dumped all the way up to here, provided this setup via Twitter, pumped all the way up to 19,500 and 19,700 levels. And as I expected, once we lost the $20,000, retested it, and then we saw massive dump in the market with the FTX news. From this level, the short setup still open and valid, and we saw massive dump, which was 23% all the way up to 25% plus dump in the market, and with the current price action, over 17% dump in the market. So there is no trend change at this stage based on a 4-hour time frame. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate. and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Keep an eye on to this pitchfork that we've taken from $25,000, and the lowest point was $18,600, $500, and then the recent high where the dump started, and you will get this pitchfork. And I shared this via Twitter, as I said, on the 23rd of November, and today I made an update that, as you can see, we got stuck in the last 24-hour plus on this 0.618, the pitchfork line. If we're going to analyze the current condition of the 4-hour time frame, as soon as we manage to stay above $16,200 and $300, 4-hour time frame entered consolidation level. And as you can see, we've got on this strong support, which we have 0.618, the golden pocket, and at the same time, another confluence that you have point of control. And right at this moment, we're getting rejection from value area high. And as you saw earlier on that I showed 0.618, the pitchfork line. So that's the confluence for you. And in the first place, I'm expecting to dump all the way up to this level, 382, which is going to be 16,780. If we're going to lose this level, which is, I will make an update, and I'm expecting to dump all the way up to this strong support box. As long as we're going to hold, which seems likely at this stage, as long as we're going to hold this level in the coming days, value area high won't be an issue. The first target level is going to be the resistance number 1. That's going to be 17,500 plus. The next resistance is going to be the daily, and that will be $18,500. However, it is a bit early for us at this moment to talk about it. And as I said, keep an eye on these levels. 4-hour time frame under consolidation, 2-hour as well as the 1-hour time frames are heavily under the bull's control. The levels are clear, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.